Hello everybody, it is Thursday about 4 p.m. Just checking on things out here. 110 degrees, wow. It is a warm one. Maples are doing good, palms are not. That palm tree is one that I dug up and transplanted into here. Not looking great, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed. The caladium almost look happy for this. I have to move that one. Elephant ears, surprisingly happy. I didn't think they really liked the heat, but I guess they do. It is just brutally hot. But I'm not going to complain. 110 here. It's hotter than that in other places, and our firewood, I bet, is drying out very well right now. Oh, but I should probably move my radio out of the 110 degree weather. That might be a good idea. I'm not even sure I want to know what the temperature in the shop is right now. Probably closer to 150, 160. Being an uninsulated steel building. Oh yeah, it's hot, 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 hot in here. So I wanted to start this video off. Hey Google, turn on shop light. Thank you. I wanted to start this video off earlier this week in hopes to get a little bit more content out there. I've been doing a lot of work around here. It doesn't look like it, but I've been doing a lot, and I've not been filming a lot of it. So that's where we're at. Wow, it is warm in here. I don't have a digital thermometer in here, but look at the analog one. Look at that indoor and outdoor temp is just all the way pegged at, let's see, 110. It's pegged at 120, so it's definitely hotter than that in here. But we'll get this fan turned on. Try to help a little bit with it. Help blow some of the hot air out of here. And we're going to leave the premises now, because it's actually cooler outside at 110 degrees than it is in here. I think the pool's only like, well, it was like 82 when I checked a couple hours ago. Probably a little warmer now. Yeah. Still about the same. Oh, look how wilted they are. They do not like the heat. I'll have to keep an eye on them. In fact, I think I might give them a little drink. Oh, shadows. Hopefully they don't burn. That should be better for them. But back up to the house. To the air conditioning. I got the main light in here off now. It's pretty messy. I've got my mountain bike and just some storage stuff I need to clean up, but my little Chinese or Japanese bonsai tree thing, I moved out to here. I might need to give it, I think I'll give it a little drink too. It wasn't doing good in my living room, so I moved it out here. Let me get some more light, hang on. Hey Google, turn on laundry room light. There we go. I don't know if that shows up better for you guys, but it's better for me. I think I'll give that guy a little drink too. I'm gonna go check on the chickens' water and make sure they're doing good because it's hot. Look at that, it's 105 in here right now. So, hot day. Hopefully everybody's staying cool, and I'm gonna go relax in the air conditioning after I check on the chickens' water and give this beautiful tree a little drink. It is currently just after 6 p.m., 109 degrees out. I want to see how things are doing down here. Especially that one we watered earlier. See if it's doing a little bit better, hopefully. Oh yeah, it's looking much better. Look at that. It's looking a lot better. Can't necessarily say that for everything, but cactuses are loving it, I'm sure. I wonder what the pool got up to today. Yeah, it still looks below 85. Alright, well, it's still way too hot to be outside. So we are going indoors. It's amazing that it's like 6 p.m. and still 109 outside. Quail are doing good. Well, poor palm trees though. I'm upset about these. I mean, they might pull through, but I really, really want my palm trees to pull through. I hope they do, but time will kind of tell. The maples over there are doing amazing, looking great, but yeah, palm trees, not so much. Hopefully something changes with them, but look at the leaves on this one are getting so brown. This is the Majesty palm, as is the other one we just looked at. This is the one that I dug up from the backyard. Not looking too great. I don't know if it's too much sun, too little, don't know. Caladium are looking amazing. But, alright, I'm going back in where it's cooler. Much, much cooler. Hello everybody, it is Friday. It is 5:12 p.m. and it is 111 degrees outside. It's gonna be a weird weekend for me. We're going to probably be looking for a lot of things to do indoors. They're calling for 107 today. Excuse me, but as you just saw, it's 111 out there. Excessive heat warning. We've got Saturday 103, Sunday 100. Then we're going to be freezing our butt off in the 80s for a couple days, and then right back up. And I'm actually glad to see the 96 and 98 because they were calling for over 100 next weekend too. So, I mean, shoot, look at that. It's not even supposed to drop down below 100 until 8 p.m. tonight. And they're saying it's supposed to be in like the 70s and 80s is going to be the low at night. So, we're probably going to spend some time indoors, but we'll run outside and we'll look at the tree that I just put out there today. I've got so much to clean up back here, but I just put this guy back here because it wasn't doing great in the living room, and I put it in the laundry room under the grow lights, and it looked maybe a little better, but not great there either. So we put it out here. We'll see how it does. But gosh, I'm going back in. It's a real struggle to keep everything alive out there. I mean, the stuff in here, there's some pothos, both variegated and neon pothos clippings, some propagations we're doing. There's some more. Those are supposed to go on top of the cabinets here, but I brought them down here to take advantage of these LED lights. But yeah, the stuff indoors is loving it, but it's still 83, 84 indoors. I got the air set at 78, so it's running non-stop. But yeah, I'll be back later when I figure out what we're going to do for this weekend. Good morning, everybody. Saturday, 5:30-ish. Probably a little after 5:30. And it's in the low 70s right now. 71, 72 right now. Gonna be over 100 again today. I'm going for my morning bike ride. It's nice to get out in the crisp, cooler air. It's a good way to help wake up, loosen the limbs up for the day. I don't do it nearly enough. I haven't been able to even look at my bike for the last couple of weeks at least. I've been so busy. And it's just like a quick 3 mile maybe. 3.5 mile loop that I make. And we're on the tail end of it right now. The hardest part, climbing the hill. So we will get back home. I gotta run around, I gotta go to Walmart. My water bottle, the only water bottle I have for the bike is too big for the holder. So I gotta go get a water bottle. Gotta go to Lowe's. I gotta get some AC filters for the house. But I gotta water stuff first. I got lots of watering to do before I go, so here we go. Alright, well, I've got all of the watering done. And it's just before 7 a.m. Going to town to get some air filters. I don't know what else I'm going to do. Probably look at the plants while I'm there. I don't know if the palm tree I transplanted is going to live, so I need to look into just buying one. I've got 2 more smaller ones out there I'm going to try to transplant 2 first, but I need to see what they have there because I really like the look of that palm tree, and I really want to have one, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I need to also start working on a landscape plan, but I don't know. It depends on what the heat does today. Like I said, it's just before 7 a.m. I'm getting ready to turn the air conditioner on in this car, so you know it's gonna be a warm one. But here we go, off to town. Oh, the temptation. Where's my zoom? There's my palm trees right there. I don't know if you could, they're right there, bright green. Those are the kind that I dug up. Yeah, so, but I'm not gonna buy them right now, but I am gonna go in and look at other stuff, so I shall be back. So now I'm headed back home, but I might just be getting in the truck and going back because I've been looking for a reasonable priced chipper shredder. I got a lot of branches and debris on the property that I've been waiting to get dealt with, and my chipper's been broken forever. I'll probably never fix it. And they actually had a good deal. They had one there for $550 for a gas-powered chipper. So I'm probably going to be getting in the truck and driving right back up there. If I do, we will talk more about it once I get home. If I don't, we'll talk more about something else once I get home. Well, I went back and got it. It hooks to the tractor too, which that's a major bonus. It's not a big one, but it'll do the job. It'll just do it slowly, but I have a lot of stuff to mulch up, so I'm gonna drive the tractor out to the spot, and I haven't even put fuel in it yet, but we'll get her fired up and see how she works. It's gonna do just fine. Happy with it. All right, let's look at what we got. So I managed to get the filters, the last two they had. I got this Turbojet. Turn any hose into a power washer. That is going to be very interesting. I'm pretty excited to check that out. I also got some outdoor industrial Velcro. The reason why, I'll show you. In my little smart car, I got this OBD2 gauge, and we'll just give it a second to catch up with itself. So the smart car inherently does not, you don't have, there's no, you have no temperature gauge, you have no tach. So right there you see 1200, 1300 RPM, 107 degrees, but it's a GPS version, so it also gives me my elevation, I get my fuel mileage and all that stuff. But when I pull it off the dash, of course that time it worked. Usually the Velcro that I have on the dash comes with it, and I don't like that. So I got this industrial strength outdoor Velcro to hopefully curb that. Holds up to 15 pounds. That should be plenty. Of course, if I don't need it, then I'm just gonna leave that on there. So that's why I got that. And don't mind my speakers farting. I don't know why they do that. Oh, and that's my dash cam up there. So now I'm gonna go try out that turbo nozzle. I'm pretty excited to try that out. I'll probably maybe I'll try to clean the tractor with it. I don't know. I can use it to get the palm trees out of the ground. Oh, that's absolutely what I'm doing. Let's go do it. All right, let's give it some water. I am 99.893478% sure this is going to be one of those like as seen on TV things. But I hear something spraying down there. Oh boy. That ain't good. Nope, I better go stop it. I must have left it on. So the valve is backwards. Interesting. All right. Set you guys up right there. Well, I'm not sure it did a great job, but I can definitely see the application and how it could work. So now we got to get these two palms planted up and then probably go in for the day. It's just too hot. It's right about 100 degrees right now. Whew. I'm actually going to use that turbo nozzle to clean the tractor, but not right this second. First, we got to pot these guys up. Well, that little turbo wand worked pretty good on the tractor. But I think I'm done outside today. I got the palms planted up. I don't even know if you can hear me over this thing. I got the palms planted up. There and there. And now I think I'm going to clean out the pool. And I might just go for a swim. We'll see. New chipper ran amazing today. Time will tell, but so far so good. But, oh, I don't know if I told you guys, I got the 2 palm trees pulled out of the ground and potted up today. Now, that's the first one we potted up. Not doing good, probably gonna die. I don't know yet, but not doing good. These 2 came from the same area. Hopefully they'll do better. I don't know, we'll see. The Majesty palms, they're not looking great, but they're still alive. They're still, we've got some new growth coming up in there, so that's pretty good, but time will tell. But anyway, guys, we will see you in the morning. Well, I forgot one of the most important things in the world on the weekends, and that is recording. So we got a lot done today. This is Sunday. It's about 4 p.m. Sunday. Go down, take a look out back. This thing is just so stunning looking. Love it. Off to the limb pile. So we didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but we got quite a bit done. Basically, I mean, all this stuff, even as high as those pallets right there, needs to be chipped up. See the pallets there? That's all needs to be chipped up. We got quite a bit done. We will continue to do more. This is where we were chipping it at. We'll continue to do more. Probably next weekend. The chipper ran okay. There's a couple things with it that are I don't really know about. For example, we'll look here. Right here, fuel dumps out of here when I'm running full throttle, and I don't know what that's about. And it had trouble starting one time, which is kind of frustrating because it's brand new. I just bought it yesterday, you know. So, but we'll take a look at it. We'll see. It's got this it's HR Series 6.5 Collier engine. What is this one? This is a Collier 6.5 SH series. What was that? HR? RH. And this is an SH. I don't know what the difference is, but these Collier engines seem to be working out pretty good for me. So, one last thing, because it is 105 degrees out and I'm walking around in nothing but shorts right now. The neighbor came by yesterday and asked if I wanted some wood. He said he had about 2 or 3 cords of wood. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. I don't know if I can from over here. So if you look just next to that tree, there's the little one leaning up to the right there, and that is an oak that is being taken down in a couple of days, and they're going to stack all the wood out at the road for me to pick up so I can add to my firewood pile. I don't know what I'm doing with the firewood yet. I don't know. I mean, I kind of do know. I guess I do know. I'm not going to. I don't think I'm going to build a wood shed. Sorry, we're in the little grow space now is a mess. As you can see, there's stuff on the floor. I got the bike. It's got the stuff. It's a whole thing. I got to get it figured out. But in this room right now. It is currently 14% humidity and 103.2 degrees even with the fan going. I guess I don't really need these grow lights on right now. Why do I even have these on? I'm gonna have to shut them off. There you go. It's probably too dark in here now though for you guys. But anyway, I don't think I'm gonna build a woodshed. I think I'm gonna buy a woodshed. I can buy like a composite shed right now for cheaper than I could buy the wood to build my own woodshed. So I think I'm gonna buy a composite shed and just put my wood in it. I got to shop around a little bit, so bear with me on that. But anyway guys, this is going to be the end of this video because I'm going to relax. I've had a long day. After chipping, I went for a little swim and it just makes me feel like taking a nap. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks a million, everyone.